Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and I'm going to pseudo embrace the pumpkin spice trend. When I found this recipe, I thought it was kind of cool. It is actually a pumpkin tomato sauce pasta bake, and what drew me to it is that it also has roasted walnuts with sage drizzled on top. And this made huge servings. It made 6 servings actually, and I'm heating it up right now. And honestly, I don't really taste heavy pumpkin in it. And my wife said it really doesn't work that way with pumpkin. But this is a pasta bake right here, and it's really tasty. It's got a little bit of Fontina cheese in it, which can be a little bit pricey. I think it would work great with Parmesan cheese as well. And then we paired it with some roasted green beans and Brussels sprouts. Got a couple of carrots in there from another recipe. And it smells tremendous. And the roasted walnuts on there are amazing. This made 6 servings, so it's actually really easy. It's just one big dish, one big oven-safe skillet. You put it all together, and then when you're done, you put the skillet in the oven for about 15 minutes, and that finishes up the cheese, gets everything roasted together, and it's a beautiful dish, guys. It's coming on the app this Thursday. Hope you enjoy it and embrace your pumpkin. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.